Come on, baby girl. Come on, you wanna come out, baby boy? Come on, buddy. Let's go, my little runty guy. All right, so we're outside now. I'm gonna put the coils in. We're gonna see how these work. They're OEM ones. They're not some cheapy ones like my father first put in his ski. So for those of you who don't know, I'm working on my father's ski. His ski has an issue with stalling out. About, we'll say, a half hour to 30 minutes of driving. It sucks. I don't get what's happening. Don't know. It's mind-boggling. So right now, I'm just gonna pop this off. We're gonna check out the coils because the coils are coming off as we drive, and I think just because they're like some cheap aftermarket ones. So we're gonna try to change out those because I think that was a separate issue other than what I was experiencing before. And then we're also gonna be going for a test drive like I said before. So we're gonna be putting these in, hooking up the trailer, picking up my girlfriend, and then we're gonna go for a little jet ski ride. All right, so these are the two coils I'm gonna be replacing because they're junk. As you see, they just come flopping out. There's no pressure. They should kind of like grab onto the spark plug, and they don't. So let's see if this works. So the idea of this is going to be, hopefully, the reason why it's dying out, hopefully maybe even stalling, is that the coil packs are getting overheated from arcing because they come off the plug, and I'm thinking they're arcing, making them work a little harder, but that's not guaranteed. Oh shit, I opened it up wrong. Oh well. So let's see. Oh cool, we got new rubbers. All right, cool. So it actually comes with a whole new rubber and everything. Perfect. Perfect. Comes with a whole new rubber and everything like that. So we can just disconnect the one down here. That's our Chinese brand one. This is whatever this one is, I don't know. But we're gonna plug her in. All right, that one went on nicely. That's actually like exciting because these things just, I'll just show you. Look, pushed all the way down. All right, that just sucks because of the rubber, but look. It just goes up and down. You can more really hear it in person, but just trust me, they come up and down, and it sucks. But here, so as this one, look, nothing comes up and down. That one's stuck in there, thankfully. So through there, push down. That sounds like it grabs on. Plug that in. Those aren't going anywhere. I trust those 100% right now. So. Ooh, okay, that's loose. All right, so I just gotta tighten up the battery cable. This is the other thing we did in the last video. So this is like a safety, so if the jet ski ever tips over, there's a sensor right there that would actually shut this whole thing off. But we're not going in the ocean or anything like that, so we're most likely not gonna flip. We're not gonna flip. Unless we try to do something stupid. That's the only way we're gonna flip. So we're gonna put it in the water. Hopefully this whole thing, I'm gonna actually wrap this up in some saran wrap, just to waterproof proof it so no water gets in. What else is there in this thing? Anything else I gotta do? I think that's pretty much it. At least got two new coils. There should be a third one, but the third one I don't know where it's at. Those two came in yesterday, and the other one is out somewhere in the Wizard of Oz somewhere. I don't know. Somewhere in the Wizard of Oz, all I gotta say. But so I'm gonna grab all this stuff here. Throw those up here. Say hi to the pupperoos. Yeah, anyway, guys, it's not too humid out today. It's hot, but not too hot, thankfully, for you guys. They like just chilling out, honestly. They just like chilling outside for a little bit. When it's really hot out, they like to go inside and do their, be huskies, like the coldness, not the hot. They're not hot dogs. They're not hot dogs. So, all right, let me get some saran wrap on that stuff, wrap it up. We're gonna undo my jet ski, which we may even take my jet ski out for a little bit. I'm not sure if we are, probably not, but we might. It all depends. All right, so I got some saran wrap down there, as you can see, nothing major. Do a quick little test start. All right, that sounds perfect. So we're gonna get all buttoned up here, getting all the jet skis uncovered, hooked up the trailer, and get out in the water. All right, guys, at the docks here, not the docks, what do you call this thing, ramp. Just gotta unlock this up here. Oh, get the thing in here. All right, so I got all the things plugged in, so we're not gonna sink by putting them in. Just gonna get the straps off, safety straps here. Get these off on this jet ski. That jet ski we might take out tomorrow. I'm not quite sure if we're going to or not, but we might. Water shoes here for me. This would be her life jacket. Maybe this is medium. Over 9 pounds. All right. Here, you want to try this life jacket on real quick? I got a couple back there, so. I got a couple back there here. Alright, that's fine. I'll put mine on the ski right away. Alright.
You going now?
Pretty much.
I'm gonna wear this on Saturday.
Alright. We're also gonna get this thing in. Guys, in this case right here, hopefully you guys can see it here, wherever, you know, wherever it is.
Huh. I did it.
Alright. Lexi! You're failing your assignment already. Alright.
I better be in it.
You are just there. You're just right there. Oh, I'm gonna do diagnostics. We're doing a data log on this thing to see if we can see if the battery voltage goes dead or not when we're driving or not. Oh, damn. Hold on.
Sean, I'm floating away.
You're good. You got the key. Oh, that goes hard.
It started?
No.
Oh.
It has a certain beep. Alright. Start dialoguing this thing. Make sure you're.
It is.
No, you're going ding down over there. Alright, we're gonna go to all scan. We're gonna scan. Can I just do a whole diagram? Like a whole. Alright, hold on. So this is clear all of these codes. They're scan TTCs.
Wait, what? Where'd it go blank?
So then we got TOPS function, which I know why that's gone.
It's still recording.
No.
Why is all my
I don't know. It's just something. Alright, so far Jetski's running good. Probably about, I don't know how long. I'll say 20 minutes.
I don't know.
Yeah, go ahead. You go ahead.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, don't tip us over,
Sorry.
please. Running good so far. Just went over to one quiet place. Been out probably for like 20 minutes. So far running good. I think I may have fixed the hesitation in the idle though. Maybe. I don't really hear it. It's still there a little bit. It is there. So running good so far, but see how much more will go until it says no more. Alright, so far we have not stalled so far, which is really good. So hopefully I fixed it. It's either coils or that TOPS sensor, which we might just change it anyways. But so far we've been out for definitely about, what time is it? 3:57, so definitely been out for almost about an hour without any type of weird things. So hopefully that was just the coils probably, or the TOPS, one or the other. So I'm gonna go beat the crap out of this thing for almost a second, and then I'm gonna get back to my girlfriend, get the thing up in there because someone's at the station right there, so I can't bring her over there right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna beat the crap out of this thing, and we'll see. Hopefully we come back in one piece. All right, so we had a successful day of jet-skiing. Actually had no stalls, surprising. Hopefully we fixed it. Hopefully it was just the coil and the TOPS sensor. So I don't know if you guys have anything. Check your TOPS sensor and your coils, because I think that might have been what was it. Because so far we have no issues, and that's not normal. All right, guys. So the jet skis ran pretty damn good. I'm actually gonna rinse them out real quick and then get out of the parking spot for my girlfriend's stepdad and stuff, so I'm gonna get them rinsed out. He ran really good so far. We might take it for another test drive tomorrow. Like I said, I can't record on it, but you know, I do have the bracket, so maybe tomorrow. I just remember I do have the bracket in the Jetski. I could have thrown them on real quick, but we're gonna rinse them out real quick, just get them cleaned up, and then tomorrow's another day, so maybe I'll record tomorrow on the ski on the water. So other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave down below, comment down below if you have any questions about your Jetski, if you're having issues. Subscribe to the channel, do your safe, follow dreams. Don't let it get anyway. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.